Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Microsoft Sphere. Why C# is raring to go for startups. Ever wondered why some startups shy away from using Net? Well, Microsoft Sphere's got the scoop on what's holding them back and how one startup is bucking the trend. Meet Sam Cox, co-founder of Tracebit, a security product that's built using C#. At QCon London, Cox took to the stage to share his experience with Net, revealing some surprising insights about why Microsoft's platform might not be as popular among startups as you'd think. But before we dive in, let's set the scene. Cox was faced with a challenge, creating a security product that could detect intrusions without alerting anyone. He knew he needed a language that ticked all the right boxes for his project. Now, most startups might opt for languages like Python, TypeScript, or Go, but not Sam. Cox chose C# because it looked familiar to him, having previously worked with TypeScript. He was drawn in by its static typing, strong supply chain, good documentation, comprehensive libraries, and most importantly, high productivity. It's clear that C# has a lot going for it, especially when you consider the vast ecosystem of Net. But despite Cox's glowing review, the Microsoft Sphere team knows that there are still some major hurdles to overcome. One major concern is that many developers see Net as expensive and legacy, rather than modern and cross-platform. This perception might be a result of Net being developed by Microsoft alone, but Cox argues that this isn't entirely accurate. In fact, Cox's own experience with Tracebit shows just how wrong these perceptions can be. He built the product using C, and it won his first paying customer. And what about the cost? Well, Net is completely free to use, as you might expect from an open-source project. Now, we're not saying that Microsoft Sphere has all the answers, but one thing's for sure. Cox's story shows that with the right approach, C# can be a game-changer for startups. And who knows? Maybe this is just the beginning of a new Net revival. At Microsoft Sphere, we're always on the lookout for innovative stories like Sam Cox's. Tune in next time for more tech insights and surprises, and remember, with great power comes great responsibility.